cooking without fire. Guess what I'm going to do? It is a 4-star salad. So for the ingredients for it, this is corn, lettuce, carrot, half teaspoon pepper and half teaspoon salt, which I'm going to add together, lemon, coriander, tomato and olive oil. So now let's begin with the recipe. First I'm going to add the lettuce. So I've added everything at least about 1 cup. You can see the cup size over here. So the next is I'm going to add corn. Tomato and carrot. So I've added all the 4 vegetables now. Then I'm going to add the pepper and salt, half teaspoon pepper and half teaspoon salt, and I'm going to stir it together. Stir it well so that it would taste good. Now I'm going to add the lemon, and then I'm going to add some drops of olive oil. Now I'm going to stir it well again. After we add this, I'm going to add the coriander. So I'm stirring it well. It will taste really good. So now the recipe is done. It is just a 5-minute recipe. You can prepare anytime. It will be really good. And now I'm going to add this inside this plate I have set up for the salad. There is no fire, so it won't be hot. You can eat this anytime. After you prepare also you can eat the salad. So I'm adding all the salad I'm adding inside. Now the salad is put nicely into the plate. So now let me taste it. Tastes really good. Just try it at home. Bye. See you in the next episode.